7 asks, what is the relationship between the compound in line notation and the adjacent Newman projection? Very clearly, looking at this Newman projection, we've got an OH on the front and a Cl on the back, so we're definitely looking at this like this. We are looking down this carbon-carbon bond right here, so that is the carbon-carbon bond that we cannot see. It is obscured by the carbon atom that we are looking at. And so what do we notice? If we are looking down that bond, we're going to have a methyl group projecting directly upwards, so that's right there. We will have OH down and to our right, because if we are in the plane of the screen and that OH is projecting forwards from the screen, it is going to be down and to our right. And then the implied hydrogen will be down and to the left, so that's fine. Then looking at the back carbon, we have a chlorine atom that is going to be up and to our right. Because again, if we are in the plane of the screen and that chlorine is projecting outwards from the screen, that is going to be up to our right, is going to be pointing to our right there. So that's there. And then there's an implied hydrogen up and to the left. And then this methyl is pointing directly down. This actually is identical. This Newman projection does represent the molecule in line notation. This is the same compound, and it is in the same conformation. So we could have had the same compound in different conformations. That would be if we took either the front carbon or the back carbon and rotated it in some way. So we could have had the chlorine where the hydrogen is, the hydrogen where the methyl is, the methyl where the chlorine is. That would have been the same compound, just we would have rotated that central carbon-carbon bond to get a different conformation. But certainly they're not different compounds. We know that it's the same atoms and the same connectivity. They're not different compounds. They're not different formulas. They're not different constitutional isomers. We can tell immediately that they're the same compound, and then by translating the line notation to the Newman projection and seeing that it matches the Newman projection we have, that's how we know that it is the same compound and furthermore in the same conformation.